Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL Tab 10S, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on About Tablet, and here we have to scroll down to find the build number. And basically all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. And so let's tap on confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we are in the developer options. So let's go back to the general settings, and here probably in the system. Yes, as you can see, we do not have to get back to the general settings, but to the system settings, and the developer options will appear right here under the backup. So let's enter the developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can inactivate the apps, we can enable the strict mode. Here we've got some options to show hardware layers updates, animator duration scale, we can show surface updates, pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options, and in order to turn on the option, all we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on this switcher at the very top, and as you can see, all of the options will be inactive, and if they're getting back, they will simply disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your TCL Tab 10S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.